Hello friends, let us see another example. First read it out what is given. So by looking this question, we may think that, okay, this is a very big problem, right? But if you understand what they're asking exactly, this won't affect much. Okay, first read it. Estimate the, examine the test arrangement and the soil properties. Okay, what we are doing? So what they're given, the type of the soil is nothing but a saturated dense and water table is at the ground surface. Fine. Gamma saturation is given, phi value given, C value is given 0. As it is a send, obviously it is 0. And gamma 40, gamma W we have to consider it as a 10. And also they are given angle of friction, earth pressure coefficient. Okay, fine. What they're asking us to find? Okay, this is a concrete block. So if you understand this, what it is mean? That means they are testing the soil properties, right? Now what we have to find out? The maximum pressure that can be applied with a factor of safety 3 through the concrete block. So did you understand what we have to study? We have to find out what is the maximum pressure that we can apply on the concrete block, ensuring that no bearing capacity failure in soil. So we have to apply a load until the point such that your soil will not going to fail. So we have to find out using Terzaghi's bearing capacity equation. In general, what is the equation? CNC plus gamma D and Q plus 0.5 gamma B and gamma, right? So what they're given? The Terzaghi's equation without considering shape, depth factor and inclination factor. Understood? So we should not consider shape, we should not consider depth, we should not consider inclination. As it is sent, already your C values goes to 0. As you need not to consider depth factor, your depth factor is also going to be 0. So what will be the remaining value? Your remaining is nothing but a half into gamma B n gamma. This is what nothing but your ultimate value, right? What they're asking us to find the maximum pressure. That means as they're giving you the factor of safety 3, they're asking us to find the safe value. So what is the safe value? Sir, why we are not considering gamma T and gamma? Where this concrete block is placed? As this concrete block is placed on the surface of on the ground surface, then whatever the depth, that is equal to 0. That's why your gamma D and Q as also we are not considering. So whatever the safe pressure, that is nothing but a 1 by factor of safety into 1 by T into gamma into B into N gamma. If you substitute the values, factor of safety is given as 3, 1 by 2. So as it is entirely under submerged condition, then we have to take the submerged unit weight. What is the submerged unit weight? Gamma saturation minus gamma W. What is the gamma saturation given? 18. 18 minus gamma W, they are asking us to consider 10. So what will be your submerged weight? That is nothing but 8 kilonewton per meter cube. So into 8 into whatever the N gamma value, 40. Right? Then if you solve this, you will get your safe pressure, that you will get it as around 53.34. Right? So if it is a numerical answer type question, then you have to enter the answer 53.34. As your gamma value are taken kilonewton per meter cube, the unit will be kilonewton per meter square. Understand? See, the problem is very big, but the solution is it is done in the simple steps. As it is a sand, you have to imagine that your C value equal to 0. As your concrete is placed on the surface, that means the depth of the foundation is equal to 0. Only you have to consider this much. As they're asking us the maximum, that means without failure, how much we can apply. Always we have to include the factor of safety. After including the factor of safety, this is what the safe value we can apply. That means what? This is what the maximum you can apply on the 14. Okay. Thank you.